This is fit for a 2015 through 2018 and possibly beyond Audi Q3 with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex SX base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Load Bars in black, 50 inches in length, the SX 28 legs which connect to the inner edges of the flush rails. Crossbars are in a fixed position at 28 inches front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 176 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.